Whakaalofa Mako, welcome back. I'm here in Menriwa. I got invited to the Rowandale opening of the bilingual unit. Bilingual, it's Niue and Niue English unit. It's pretty cool. My friend Mac Ikitule, I think he's the deputy principal, and he invited me to come. Had a bit of car trouble this morning, man, so I had to quickly go to the garage last minute. Luckily it was an easy fix, and yeah, they fixed it, but then I had to come here. A bit late, but all good. This is what the Rowandale School. Yep, so hopefully I can get in. If not, all good. I'll just watch from the outside. It's exciting because this is the second one now for primary schools. First one was Favona, and then now it's Rowandale. Hopefully good things to come. So looking forward to it. Alright. We'll see you after. I won't record in there just because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. For the students, you need to get permission from the parents and all that. But all good. Okay. Tô Filipino.
It's a privilege to be here at the opening of the Matalamai, Niue Banghau Niue bilingual unit down here at the Rowandale Primary School out in South Auckland. This is really good because now we're starting to see a lot of these come to fruition in maintaining our Banghau Niue here in New Zealand and Aotearoa, and I think there'll be more to come as well. Hopefully in the other sectors, or like intermediate right up to tertiary level. So kia puina e mahau niue he tūturu, kia tamatu mau, whakaonga ki tō ngā wawanga, tunga nei, ki se ai kua hawhaki ki taha wahanga whakaako, o ke ako mahau niue, ki aonga nei ko Rowandale. Tō e lahi ki tō mamatua me tō whiaonga, me o whiaonga, ki aonga.
Man. Yo, it's in the classroom now. Awesome classroom. They got a lot of Niue stuff. Man, awesome.
Ia whakatikila e hawa hana whawhonga.
E purosi, e hingoa he na tautoro ki Yesu Kristo. E he tau mahukua akwa wa whakalataha mai.
It's the children. So make sure that they nurture, as well as the families and the schools and the parents, to nurture that coconut tree. Make sure that they fertilize it, that they give it water, that coconut tree grows.
This unit belongs to you, and I'm sure the staff, Carol, Kira, Nick, and Ila, and all the team
Tu ko ingoa hako ko Sarah Mangawa hau he te manga ko La Kepa mo Hakupu, hako matutani ko Timothy Mangawa, Matuwhine ko Whasu Mangawa. Wahanga hako ne, wahanga ho Frumavalu, Rowandale School, wahanga mga ho Niue. I teach the year 4 to 6 Niue bilingual class, and I'm loving it. Lahe mita ke whāko i tō whānau niue. E koe tō ni whānau niue ni koe tō whānau hawha Tonga, hawha Samoa, hawha Mauri, hawha Kukailani. Mai ke o mai, moi whāko halaturu, mga hau mutu. Whakawe lahi!
Whakaoe, whakaoe. I'm back. That was awesome. Awesome. It's good to see some people I haven't met. Io, Inga, Jocelyn. Yeah, and congrats to the team. Carl Vassal, he's the principal of Rowendale College, Rowendale Primary. Met Carissa, she's the chairperson of VNT, Wangahau Niue Trust. And yeah, saw some other people there that I didn't get to meet. Everyone was busy. But yeah, awesome. Awesome to see another Wangahau Niue bilingual unit in Auckland, New Zealand. Yeah. Oh well, I hope you guys are learning your Wangahau Niue. Yeah, it's hard language to learn because there's not many resources out there to learn it. But there's some newer apps. There's some language classes out south. But yeah, if you're not in the know, good luck. But okay, hope you enjoyed that. Just keeping you informed what's happening in Auckland with the Niue Wangahau. Okay, kia monuina, tō whilawia.